I had a terrible dream. And in that dream, my son was in a terrible condition. Ouch, naked. How? To fear.
We have to speak to him in the morning.
Oh. No evil shall befall my son in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Oh. No evil arrow shall locate my son in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Hi. Nothing
will happen to my uncle.
Amen.
Nothing will happen to my Lord.
No.
You will just relax. It will not happen. And I believe that it will not happen.
Amen.
Just relax. Everything will be fine. We will call him in the morning. Don't worry about it.
Dream? It is just a dream. Allah wouldn't leave what he's doing in the city to come to the village to listen to the dream you had about him.
He was in a terrible situation in that dream. He was looking so terrible. His face was covered with charcoal. When I looked very well, it was his wife that covered him with the cloth.
Yeah.
Hey, covered his face. Hi.
Well, I will call him to come home.
Hey, tell him to come tomorrow. Let him come back tomorrow. Eh?
I know how to bring him home.
Hi. Thank you very much.
Oh, no, Mama, wait. Let me ask you. You said you saw me or you saw my wife in your dream covering my face with a cloth. That's why you asked Uncle Ude to tell me to come.
Yes, my son. It's not an ordinary dream. Eh?
Mama, I thought you said you don't dream. Since when do you start dreaming?
I rarely dream, my son, but when I do, it will come to pass.
Mama, you see why I asked you to always use the mosquito net I bought for you. Use it every night to prevent malaria.
What are you trying to say? Are you trying to tell me that I have malaria?
No, Mama.
This is about your life. You know what church that's a mosquito net.
Mama, I'll be fine. Nothing will happen to me. But remember, always use that mosquito net.
This is not mosquito net matter. This is your life. Oh.
Mama, I'll be fine. Meanwhile, where is Uche?
Inside.
Uche!
Overload.
Have you brought down the things from the boat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mama,
How are you going?
I will take my leave. I have an appointment in the office tomorrow, so I have to start going.
What do you eat before you go? Go have oral soup. Oh.
When I come back, I will eat. Mama, please manage this till I come again.
You won't eat anything?
No, Mama.
You won't eat at all?
No. Mama, I will eat when I come, okay? But remember to use the mosquito net. Please.
Okay, thanks, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Mama,
rush and go. And be careful, oh! Okay. Be careful! This one you did not eat food.
Aloysius, when your mother dreamt about the death of my wife, I did not take her seriously. But my wife died. Please, I want you to take your mother's dream seriously.
Uncle, you know how much my wife and I love each other. She cannot harm me.
It might be that she could be influenced to bring bad women to you.
Uncle, if you're talking about my wife cheating on me, it's not possible. I trust her.
Hey, Aloy, I never knew you to be this stubborn. But listen, most times when evil is on the track, it covers the ears of its victim. It takes wisdom to know wisdom to be good.
Uncle, I've heard you. I have to rush back to the office. I have a lot of things to do in there. Okay?
It's alright.
But please, have this for your drink.
Oh, hey. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Please, send me well to your wife and children.
I will, Uncle.
Please,
You take care, sir.
drive safely.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hey.
Oh, for real? Okay. Of course. Jenny. Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. I will call you. I'll call in the evening. Okay. Goodbye, dear.
Who was that?
It's Jennifer.
Jennifer. Which Jennifer?
We were in the same department when I was working with Zane.
And she still has your number.
Yes. And she has a contract for me. But I still want to research about the company before I invest in it.
Okay. Is she married?
I don't think so.
Why don't you have male friends?
My dear, I don't want to have male friends because if I do, I will not have time for my family.
I see. Honey, talk to me. I've been asking you where you're taking the clothes to. You don't want to talk to me.
I actually bought it for someone.
For someone?
Yeah.
I thought it was for me.
Oh, hold on. Hello? Yeah. Where are you now? Okay. I will meet you there. Yeah, right away. Okay. Baby, I'll see you when I come back. Okay? Come on, put the box inside my car. Open the gate for me. That's stuff here.
manage? Oh my God, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's okay. Just manage it. Eh?
It's okay.
I'll see you later. Eh?
God will bless you.
I was right after all. We shall see.
I don't understand. What actually are you saying?
Mommy, I think Allah is seeing another woman.
Have you caught him with any woman?
No. But he seems to be hiding a lot from me these days. He makes calls in low tone. He keeps his phones close to himself. He sends text messages every minute. He buys gifts for people I don't even know. And this morning, he went to see a lady at the plaza before going to work.
Is he denying you of your conjugal right?
No. But why will he spend his money on other women?
Does he bring any woman home?
Mom, I said I saw him this morning. He gave a woman money and some clothes.
You still have not answered my question. Does he bring any woman home?
No, Mommy.
My dear, if you continue like this, you will bring the devil into your home. What I see in your eyes is pure jealousy.
Mommy, am I not supposed to be jealous?
But not stupidly jealous! If you have friends who make you think that you are not well trained, stay away from them.
Mommy, my friends have not said anything.
I'm still talking. If you want your marriage to last, you have to be smart. Smart enough to know how to handle your husband. If not, you will die before your time.
God forbid! Mommy!
God only forbid if you forbid unclean thoughts in your head. I have said my own.
You don't know a thing about love. All your effort shows lack of experience. It's not a thing you sit in class, pen in hand with the book on the table. You don't know a thing about love. So make you calm down, yeah, it will be alright. Cause when love hits you, it takes you far away. So here I am, back where we started. I have to tell you my mind. I have to tell you my mind, yeah. I know go fit to wait. I know go fit to wait.
No,
I cannot wait for you. I cannot wait.
Honey, you've been on this phone since you came back.
Yes, my dear. I've been sending some mails. I'm replying some chats too. How are you?
Fine.
This is good. This is good. This is good. Oh, look at this.
I know you will like it. My good friend. I know what you like.
I know you know.
Don't worry, when you're going, I'll give you 1 bottle.
1 bottle. Just 1 bottle. If I know you're not stingy now, give me like 2 or 3.
Don't worry, I'll make it 4.
4!
Trust me.
Hey, my girl! Thank you.
You're welcome.
At least let me enjoy this wine now that your husband just came back from China.
You can say that again.
Yes! Before his concubines finish everything.
His concubines? How do you mean?
How do I mean? Babe, are you trying to act like you're a kid or something? We're no kids now, eh? You know what I'm talking about. You know what this man can do. I know you understand me.
You're kidding me, aren't you?
I'm not kidding you. I'm telling you exactly what men do. Or are you trying to say you don't know Aloy keeps concubines? Should I say you're trying to make him a saint before me now? Huh?
I have seen him with some women, but he said they are his business partners.
Business partners. Are you trying to say you have not seen him make so many calls, something like that? Babe, men keep women outside their matrimonial home. I'm talking about this men with little millions to talk more about your husband. Aloy, a billionaire. I beg, use your hair, stop acting like this. Hey, my heart. My heart is beating so fast. Why now?
My suspicion is becoming real.
Hey, no. Calm down. I shouldn't have told you this. You're making me regret.
No. I'm glad you did. It cleared the suspicion in my head. Did you think I should confront him? Talk to him about it?
No, don't be too fast. Just calm down. Observe him. With that, you know if I'm being honest to you or not. You're my good friend.
You mean Aloy, my husband, could be sleeping with other women? Like sleeping, like doing it with other women?
Like, or is. Anyway, I think I should be on my way.
Wait, let me get you the wine.
Hey, my friend. Calm down. I don't like the way you're looking. Don't let this thing break you down. See, all you have to do is put your ears to the ground.
Thank you.
You don't have to thank me now. I'm your friend. And I do not want you to contact all this nyama disease everywhere that men transmit to their wives. What I'm talking about. You're a very good person, kind-hearted. I don't want anything to hurt you.
Once again, thank you very well.
You're welcome.
You're indeed a good friend. It's not everybody that will tell someone to be careful.
As someone, you're welcome.
I'll be on my way. I'll call you.
I know.
Let me see it, Yoka. I knew it. I knew that Aloy has concubines. I told mommy, but she didn't believe me. She thought I didn't know what I'm saying. Hey! Wait. Is it like, what do they have that I don't have? I know that Aloy likes it big. Should I? Hey!
Where are you coming from?
I went to see Nick.
You went to see. How many times has she come here to see you? Why are you so stupid?
I'm sorry.
Come here. I said come here.
I want to check the time from my phone.
I said come here. What's the time?
The time?
Let anybody!
I want to check the time in my...
I said come closer!
No.
Okay, you want me to do your bed on you?
Come here. No. I promise I will not come back.
Will you get up from there? Give me more water.
Yes, my love.
You want me to die before you bring the water? Didn't you see the rubbish inside this water?
There's no rubbish inside it.
Get out! Rubbish!
What is it? You look upset.
Listen, I don't like the fact that you come home late every night.
How many times have I explained to you that I have loads of work at the office?
Loads of work at the office indeed. How am I sure that you're coming from the office? You have 2 secretaries. You also have a human resource manager. Yet you come home late every night.
What has come over you? Huh? What has come over you? This is not the first time I'm coming home late. After the work at the office, I'll still beat the traffic before I come home.
It has to stop. Tell those occupying your time that you have a wife at home, that you have a family.
Occupying my time? What are you insinuating? Are you trying to say that I'm cheating on you?
Oh, prove me wrong.
Please, I do not want to be angry this night.
Neither do I. Stop it.
Only please stop this. Stop this. Stop it! Only God knows how much I've been faithful to you. Only God knows how much I love you. And you're behaving like this. What is wrong with you? What?
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I overreacted. Please. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Sit down. I'm forgiving you. Okay? Come on, get me some smoothie.
Thanks, baby. I love you. My dear, from what I saw last night and this morning, I doubt if Allah is seeing another woman. I doubt it.
I'm surprised you're still in the dark. I thought you knew.
But how could Allah cheat on me?
Every man cheats. Get that into your head.
Okay. So I've been in the dark. I've been a fool. I am such a fool. I have been faithful to an unfaithful being. Hey!
Calm down. Don't be angry. See, you have 2 things to do. Get yourself a young, fresh guy. Or better still, tie him down.
No. How can you say that? I can't even think of cheating on my husband. No.
Okay. Then, use the second option.
Which is to tie him to be under my control, right? Where? In a witch doctor's place?
No. In a prophet's place. See. When my husband started misbehaving and thought he could infect me with disease, I went to a very strong prophet in my village. Guess what? It didn't even cost me much to put him under my control. Now, if I tell him to sit, he sits. If I tell him to, he... If I tell Boniface to move, he moves. I'm the boss.
That's what I should do. That is what I will do. spirit. Sorry, I've been meaning to ask, what happened to your face?
Oh, my face, my sister. It's domestic accident though. I'm telling you, as big as I am.
Domestic accident.
Yeah.
Eh?
If I cannot do it for you, who else will I do it for? Okay, so how much are we talking about?
Just send me 500,000 naira.
Just 500,000 naira. That's why you're complaining. Okay, I will send it tomorrow. You know today is Sunday, I cannot do anything.
Eh?
Okay, hold on, let me call you back.
I'm not sure someone will not stop to amaze me. Uchenna! Uchenna! Mama! Go ahead, this call. Hey!
Mama, so excited. It seems Uncle Aloy is coming back soon.
He's not coming. He's going to send us plenty money.
Jesus!
Take that for this side.
Hey!
Go and keep it. Hey! Uchenna! Come back with the phone.
Mama,
Bring it. So that you know you can call your girlfriends. You must also give me. Aloysia, see my boy. Hey!
Why did you end the call? Answer me, why did you suddenly end the call?
I thought you wanted to tell me something.
Anyway, come and help me with something upstairs. Wow, he has started locking his phone. Interesting.
You left me upstairs.
When did you start locking your phone?
What do you want to do with my phone?
That beside the fact that you have started locking your phone. Why?
It's automatic.
Yes? What is it? Who are you and what are you doing here?
You must be Aloy's wife.
Aloy Lowagon there. So you now come to his house to look for him. Don't you know that he's married? You have no shame. You are shameless.
Take your pardon.
No! Don't beg me for anything. Listen, if you don't want me to give you a resounding slap, get your useless, God-forsaken self out of my compound. Now get out!
You didn't say that to me, did you?
Get out! Out! My goodness! Get out!
No!
Oh my goodness! Get out!
No!
Yes! Get out of my house! Get out!
What
Get
is
out!
it? What is it?
Your wife slapped me.
What? Are you out of your mind?
Asking you that question. You have no shame. So because you think I'll stay out late, that's why you brought this whore to our house. Our matrimonial home. Shame on you!
This is my Auntie Selena. You calling a whore? Are you out of your mind?
Wait, she didn't tell me. You didn't tell me.
I should have told you. Please, Aloy, take me out of here.
Auntie.
No.
Auntie.
Don't take me out of here.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please forgive her. You won't apologize? Won't you apologize?
I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were the one. You sound different on the phone. I'm sorry.
Auntie, please. I'm sorry. Please.
I'm sorry.
Please.
Sorry.
Sorry. Okay? Come on, let's go.
You can slap me back. Please, slap me
Auntie,
back. I'm sorry.
please forgive her.
Please. I'm sorry.
Jealousy is very bad at some level in life. This type of jealousy can ruin your happiness in marriage if you're not careful.
Auntie, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. It won't happen again.
I have forgiven you. But be careful. Jealousy is dangerous.
Thank you, Auntie.
Where are the kids?
Oh, they went to visit Uncle Joe in Ghana.
And nobody told me. I was rushing to come and see them.
And I was about telling you.
I hope they'll be back before I go back to the States.
Auntie, no miracle on her headache. She might decide to stay there even after the holiday.
Exactly. So, Auntie, tell me, how is America?
Oh, Dad, America is fine.
You know, your voice sounds younger on the phone.
What are you saying? Am I not young?
Sorry, you're young.
I'm very young.
Okay, let me quickly go to the kitchen and fix you something to eat. I have this correct sour soup with fish and meat.
I can't wait. Please go and microwave my family.
I won't waste time.
How have you been?
I've been good.
How are your kids and your husband?
Oh, they are good. They are doing fine.
You're looking nice.
Thank you very much.
You're quite reluctant about this.
Not really, just that I've invested a lot in a business that I didn't inquire before. I invest my money, but just for me to realize that they are fraud.
This is genuine. I wouldn't bring you in if it wasn't profitable. Here is the thing. You purchase the goods while I supply with my company's name. At the end, you get 80%.
That's interesting. So how much are we talking about here?
Let's see. 120 million naira. And we're expecting over 500 million naira gain.
Beautiful. Okay. I am going to pay in the money in your account tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. I thought I had lost the contract.
I wish we'd do more of that business.
Businessman.
That's it again. Sorry, be careful.
Anything nice. A very good drink will do.
Okay. Barman? Sir.
Yes, hello? Yeah, come here. Are they still there? Okay. I was carried away and I forgot to ask you about your wife and kids.
Oh, they are fine. And I forgot to ask you
If I am married? Not yet. But I am still with Femi.
You're still with Femi? It's over 10 years now.
Yeah, 10 years and counting. But we're planning something big this year.
I hope so.
I'd like to invite you over lunch to the house one day.
Then you have to explain to my wife it's not a date.
Your wife? Is she that jealous?
Protective. In her words.
It's good anyway.
Anyway, let me quickly get back to the office. I'm very busy right now. Okay?
Alright, thank you.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Give me a hug then.
Oh.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, thank you. Take care.
Okay, bye.
How far? How did he go? Allah is ungrateful. He is very ungrateful. So because I'm faithful to him, he thinks he can jump from one woman to another. Ha! Calm down and talk to me. Did you confront the woman? Did you confront your husband?
No.
Babe, you need to make him understand you know what is going on. Yes, if he comes back today, tell him he cannot disrespect you like this. So let me tell you, my husband cannot treat me like this. No way. In short, he will not even dare try it. He cannot.
It's okay. I know what to do.
But you talk to him. Make sure you talk to him. Talk to him. Bye-bye, oh.
Are you still washing the car?
Honey, I thought you went to shave.
You're mad. So you now answer my question with question.
Oh no, no, no! No, I can't take this. No, I can't take this unfaithfulness any longer. I can't.
What happened?
Is he not Aloy?
What about him? I saw him with another woman this morning. In your bedroom? No. In the hotel room? No, mommy, in a restaurant. Neka. You are about bringing an old man to your home. I have warned you before. And I'm still warning you again. Be careful. Jealousy is poisonous. Oh no, mommy. This has gone beyond jealousy. Oh, if it has gone beyond jealousy, then it is confusion. Confusion because you don't know what you are doing. Mommy! Don't mommy me. Don't! Go home and enjoy the beautiful home God has given you. Huh? Go home and enjoy your good husband. What is wrong with this girl? Mommy, you're not telling me that my husband is good. I mean, you now think you know my husband more than I do. Why would he suddenly become unfaithful? Last month, he traveled to China and Dubai with you. He bought a land at Airport View in your name. He even bought you a car. What is your problem? Oh, please, mommy. He might be doing all that just to cover up. Oh, he might be? Really? Huh.
Neka, grow up. Grow up. This is all I have to tell you. Because right now, I am going to church. I don't even know what is your problem. Why are you giving this poor man problem all the time? Please, when you are done, lock the door and keep it at the usual place. Please. Mommy, you mean I came to complain you're leaving me here? Please, lock the door and keep the key as usual place. But you're always giving this man problem. What is your problem? Mommy, why are you making it seem like I'm the one wrong here? Mommy!
Honey, are you okay? Honey, what is it?
We are going to the hospital first thing tomorrow morning for infection test.
What?
You heard me.
What are you talking about?
Oh, please. You can't pretend you don't know why I'm saying this.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Oh, God. He can pretend. Pretender. I am waiting for you tomorrow morning.
What is it?
We are going to the hospital.
See, this joke has to stop.
Joke? Who is joking with you? We are going to the hospital for an infection test.
Why must we go to the hospital for an infection test? Do you have an infection?
Me? God forbid. I am as clean as snow. I'm talking about you who goes around sleeping with everything in skirts in this town.
See, babe, this insult has to stop. I will not take it from you anymore. You accusing me of cheating?
Accusing? Huh. Huh. What are you doing?
Alaita.
We are going to the hospital.
Stop this. Stop this. Babe, stop this. Open the gate. Stop it. Stop it.
I'll deal with you.
I've had enough. I have had enough. I am ready to do anything right now.
That's the spirit. But wait, did you catch him cheating again?
You remember the prophet you talked about? Take me there. Yes, I want to go there.
Do you have enough money?
Will it cost more than ₦1 million?
It will cost you less than that.
So what are you talking about? Let's start going immediately. No time to waste.
Now?
Let's start going immediately.
See, we'll go, but not now. The place is in my village and it's a very long journey. Don't worry, leave it for tomorrow.
Tomorrow, eh? Tomorrow, very early in fact, first thing tomorrow morning.
I will be waiting for you.
Thank you. Take care.
What are we doing here?
Relax. This is the man's son. We'll make it easier for us.
We are wasting time. Let's start going.
Calm down.
Alpha! Alpha! So how are you?
We are managing.
Okay, we are going to see your father. Will you be around today?
My father?
Yes.
Yes, today is okay. Yeah, he'll be around. He'll be around. What you will do, if you want him to attend to you quickly and sharp, if you're going, buy 5 native eggs. 5, that is not less than 5. That is the only way he can attend to you quick and sharp today, that is okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Auntie Camille. See what your brother has been eating. Anything for the boys, so that even if it's kunu or even pure water that is not cold, I can use it. Hey, Mama, Auntie, you're looking fine, though.
Yeah, manage this one.
Eh? This one manage. This one is managed.
Bye-bye.
This is more than manage, oh. God bless you, yeah? Hello, thank you.
We can go now.
Yes.
Meanwhile, he said you should buy 5 native eggs.
5 native eggs.
Native eggs? I thought you said you were going to prophet place.
Yes.
You know all these prophets, they still use such things. Okay. So where are we going to buy native eggs? This town?
Don't worry, I'll take you to somewhere.
Okay. I can't wait to get there. I can't wait to have my husband all to myself.
You soon.
Oh, this guy should move already.
When you get down somewhere, just
Nani, we came with 5 local eggs.
What can I do for you?
My friend here, Neka, her husband is seriously cheating on her.
What do you want me to do for you, young lady?
Nai, I want my husband to be faithful to me till he dies. Ogosia.
That is a small case. But you have to bring 500,000 naira. 1 goat and 7 tubers of yam.
Nai, that's not a problem. With me here is 600,000 naira. I'm sure it will be enough to take care of everything.
Did you come with any of his personal objects?
His personal objects,
Yes. Such as his hair, his clothes, his nails.
No, I didn't come with any of that.
Then you have to come back tomorrow and bring any of them.
Okay.
Meanwhile, let me go ahead and get every other thing ready. Will you be able to come back tomorrow?
Yes.
Thank you, Nani.
Thank you.
Are you going to do it?
No.
Are you still going to come back?
Let me think, Camellia.
Hey, baby.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? You went to see Obina, right? Our wedding is next week. And you went to see your ex.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry. My love, please, I'm so sorry. Don't leave me because of this. Please, I beg of you. It won't happen again. I didn't know what came over me. Please, I'm sorry. Please, my love, please.
Am I weak on bed?
No, not at all.
So how could you do this to me?
Baby, I said I'm sorry. It will never happen again. I swear it will never. I didn't know what came over me. My love, please. I'm sorry. Please. Please, please. I'm sorry. Mama, I am finished. I am finished.
What happened? Huh? You're getting me confused. Is Aloy alright?
Mommy, I messed up. I am finished.
How? What did you do? Tell me, what did you do? Tell me. Tell me.
Mommy, good day.
Aloy, what happened?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes. Honey, let's go home.
Hmm?
Let's go home. Come on. Come on. Mommy, I'll give you a call when I get home.
Nobody is saying anything to me. Oh, it's your love. People can't kill me.
Did you tell your mother anything?
No.
Please, I beg you, do not cheat on me again, please.
Does that mean you are forgiving me?
I have forgiven you because I love you.
Thank you so much. I will not do it again, I swear.
Since I met you, I've never met any other woman. I want to promise you that I will remain faithful to you till I die.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Do I have to do this?
Eh? What are you saying, Nneka?
I don't think I can do this.
Nneka, you will do it. You have said already. Eh? Why do you want to stop? Don't tell me you're still confusing you with all these small gifts.
It's not all about gifts.
Then what?
You will not understand.
Make me understand why you will not tie a man who is cheating on you.
Camilla, I have to go home now. Excuse me.
Nneka! She is really a little girl.
You didn't eat your food.
I've eaten already.
You have eaten already? You now eat out. Wait, you have someone special that now prepares your meal. Is that how you want it?
What has come over you? I was going out in the morning. You shouted at me. Now I'm back, lying down on the bed. You are shouting at me. What has come over you? Why are you doing this?
So you ate out because I shouted at you? Is that how you want it? No, that is how you want it, right?
If you don't stop this, I will change.
You can't really trust a wealthy man to be faithful.
Did you come with what I asked you to bring?
Yes, and I.
Put it inside the calabash. Good. You both have to step out. Let me consult the spirits. This is more than I expected. He is wealthy too.
This is the beginning of something good. Sit down. The spirits have accepted your request. From today onwards, your husband will remain faithful to you till the day he dies.
Thank you. Thank you.
You may go now.
You're not talking to me. How did he go? See, Jenny, you're getting me scared. If the deal didn't work, please tell me. I'll forget about it.
Aloy, I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
I've been expecting this bad news. Okay, blow it.
We made it! They paid!
You're not serious.
I am telling you, we made it. They paid in cash.
Jennifer, you not kill me. You scared me to my bones.
I'm sorry for pulling your legs, I am so sorry for pulling your legs. You are 400 million naira richer. I'm telling you.
You're not serious.
Yes, you are.
Okay. I will take 60%.
60%? Wow! You're so kind. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're always so kind.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
I thank you for bringing me in. Yeah. Now, I can now go ahead and change my wife's car.
Your wife? You and this your wife?
It's not my fault. I love her so much.
Okay. Anyway, let's get a drink. Drink is on me. Waiter!
Jenny, you will never kill me. You will kill me.
Hurry up! Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. This calls for a big celebration.
Hello, baby. How are you? And how's the day? Huh? Anyway, I have a big surprise for you. This is the check of 10.5 million. Get any car of your choice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My sweet lady.
Oh my goodness! It works! Yes! It works!
Babe.
Are you still angry with me? Come on. I am supposed to be the one angry here. What is it?
But I said thank you.
Baby, please. Let us get rid of anything toxic to our peace. Please.
I am ready when you are.
What?
Please. You just came back from work. You're a freshman. Please.
Son, what are you doing?
Mama, you're here. I am trying to pour this whole water into this basket.
Stop it! Why are you pouring water inside the basket? If you want to pour this water, you will pour it on the ground.
Mama, I am a man. I am working hard. Give me.
Hey!
Mama, what's happened?
Hey! Mama.
What happened to Uncle Lloyd?
Hey!
Is Uncle Lloyd okay?
Hey! Get me my phone.
Where is Uncle Lloyd? Okay.
Get me my phone!
Mama, don't you think it's late?
Call him, because
Mama, don't you think he will be angry with me?
Oh, call him and stop talking. Call my son for me.
It's not picking.
Eh?
It's not picking.
Continue dial it and give me. He will pick. Oh, dial and give me. Dial.
Mama, it's not picking.
Dial again and give me. He will pick. Once you dial, give me.
Mama.
When I hold it, you pick.
Mama, do you know the time? It's almost 3 a.m.
Oh, he's my son! Die him! God forbid. Child, back to sender. Oh,
Mama, it's switched off. It's switched off.
Eh?
It's off. Mama, you just need to calm down.
Hi.
Nothing happened, Mama.
Oh!
Mama, calm down.
Hi! Oh, Chibo.
Mama, please, you just have to calm down. Take it easy. Mama, please. Mama, please take it easy. You know you have BP.
Okay.
Just say that.
Say it's switched off.
Yes, ma'am. Just take care of yourself.
Okay.
You know you're not really feeling fine.
How?
Remember your BP.
Okay.
I'm going back to your room.
Oh, okay.
Hey, honey. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
As you can see, I'm fine.
Do you want me to do anything for you?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
I said I don't want anything.
Oh, Mama is calling. Hello, Mama. Yes, I'm fine. Okay. No, they're not back yet. My wife? She's here. She's fine. Oh, Mama, she's so beautiful. Okay, Mama, I'll come and see you by weekend. Okay.
I need to thank you. I mean, what would I have done without you? You're indeed a great friend. You know what? I need to buy you a bottle of wine. No! I will get you one of the most expensive champagne. Yes! Hi! Baby! You too much! Do you know that? In fact, you needed to see the way my husband was crawling over me, asking me if I wanted anything.
Are you for real?
You're for real.
Tell me, did he call any of them last night?
Funny enough, he did not touch his phone. I am telling you. He came back from work and gave me a check of 10.5 million naira and asked me to get any car of my choice.
10.5 what?
Million naira. You heard right.
Babes, I need to see that prophet.
I need to thank him especially. I need to give him something. I don't know how to explain it. Now I have peace. I have my husband back. He's all mine. Hell!
Babe, I am so happy for you.
I am happy for myself. See the way I'm glowing. I'm happy for myself.
Now you can have your husband
all to yourself.
You can say that again. You know what, baby girl? Tomorrow I'm taking you shopping.
Shopping?
Are you kidding? Kidding you? When money is talking?
Hell! Oh, thank you!
Why did you call me? Afo, I want you to promise me something.
Papa, what is it?
That you will pay me 1 million naira and a cow as salary every month.
1 million? Papa, where will I get that kind of money? See, Papa, ever since I was born, and now that I'm even getting old, I have never seen, touched, or even walked that kind of money.
Not to talk of buying a cow. You have not answered my question.
Papa, did you sell any of our lands?
Will you or will you not pay me 1 million naira salary and a cow every month?
Okay, Papa, I will. If I'm rich, I will. You know my father. I will if I'm rich.
If you're rich?
Yes, Papa.
Good. Will you buy me a car?
Papa, if I have the money now, I will buy you. I will buy you all these things.
You will have the money. In short, you're wealthy already.
Papa, what are you up to?
Something great.
Hey, Papa. Hey.
Take off your shirt. And sit on the floor. Yes. Sit on the floor. Today, I'll wipe out all the webs of poverty in your life. Now stand up. Stand up. From today, I wear your symbol of wealth and riches. Everything good from this source will be transferred to you. Go and make money. Go and become rich.
What is it? Who are you? What do you want?
You will not walk this path dressed like this.
What is wrong with what I'm wearing?
Do not ask questions. If you must walk this path, you must wear this.
Why must I wear this? Why?
Because I am the one in charge now.
I am not going to wear this. I won't wear it.
Wear it. If you don't wear it, I will tell him to cut you to pieces.
Hey.
Oh. Now wear it.
Hey.
Take it and wear it.
Hey, what is this? I'm wearing it. Hey. Hey.
Where were you going?
I was going to water my garden.
Go back.
Eh?
Now. I said go back!
Onny. Onny, what is it? Are you alright? What is it?
It's a dream.
Dream? What kind of dream?
Hey.
Tell me about it. What did you dream about?
Hello? Yes, Mike. How are you? What? How? But there are no... But Mike, there are no contrabands in those containers. Where are you right now? Where? Okay, I'm coming.
What is it?
Customs wants to take my goods.
How? Why?
Container.
Calm down. Take it for what? Is there anything bad in the container? Like contraband, is it?
No. I have to go and talk to them now.
Now?
Yes.
Like, just like this? Won't you at least wear something nice? One wait!
Did you open it?
No.
I remember I locked this door. Hey. What is this? Lighter.
Honey, our jeep is gone.
Oh.
My God. We need to call the police.
Father, what did happen?
But what happened? But what happened?
It's not connecting. It's not connecting at all. Mike is calling me. Okay. Hello, Mike? What? Yeah, come with the containers. No. Oh, no.
Hey, but what happened?
Sir, I am telling you the truth. There are no contrabands in those containers.
So are you saying that what we saw are not real?
Sorry, sir. Please, what did you see?
You are very stupid for asking me such silly questions.
Do you know you'll end up in jail if we follow this case?
Sir, it has not come up to that. I just want to know what you saw.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, we saw rifles.
Yes.
Rifles?
Yes, rifles.
Sir, I don't import rifles. I only import foils.
This is one thing about all of you, crooks. Do you think we are stupid? You import arms. When you are caught, you say they are food items or what not.
Sir, I have no reason to lie to you. I'm telling you the truth.
Ah, people like you lie to God. Let alone human being like me. Human being like me. You must lie, I know.
Oh my God, what do I do now? What do I do? Oh God.
Don't you ever call God here. It's blasphemy. You commit a crime and you were caught. You call God.
Listen, please, how do you help me? I'll like you to help me. Yes, you can go and search those containers. Search them again. Sir, I almost invested all my life savings in those goods.
Listen, let me tell you. You will go to jail if you do not live here. This minute. Now, leave.
Thank you, sir.
How many of your containers do we have in our custody?
Sir, 21.
21 containers?
Yes.
Sit down. Have a seat. See, let me tell you. I am a good citizen, unlike you.
Okay.
I will help you out. Okay?
Help me?
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Can you pay 21 million naira?
For the containers?
21 million naira?
Yes.
So it's too much. What's about?
No, but. Okay? Can you or can you not pay 21 million naira? It's just a question.
Sir, it's okay. Let me go and run around.
I'll give you 3 hours only. If you do not show up in the next 3 hours, forget about those containers. Is that clear?
Yes. Hurry up.
You're welcome.
Honey, how did you go? Honey, talk to me. How did it go?
They are demanding for 21 million naira.
21 what? I thought you said there are no contrabands in the containers.
I don't know why all these things are happening. What is going on?
So what are you going to do? Are you going to pay the money?
I just have to bring those containers out. I have to bring them out.
Honey, is it complete?
I'll go to the bank and get some money. Please. Yes, sir. Good. Are you sure it's complete? Yes, it's complete. Good. Okay, yeah, very lucky. Yeah, very, very lucky. I go to my office and wait for me. Okay. Good day, sir.
Yes.
Good day, sir.
How may I help you?
So, the other man asked me to wait here.
Which man? Please, this is my office.
So I met him here earlier this morning, and I met him again a few minutes ago. He asked me to wait here.
Listen, I don't know what you are talking about. Like I told you, this is my office. Go outside and wait for him.
So,
get out!
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
What nonsense. Who are you actually looking for?
Sir, I don't really know his name.
Are you kidding me? At your age, you don't know the name of the person you are dealing with.
God, please help me. Oh, God, please help me. Hey. Hey.
Do you have any problem?
Sir, my containers were seized earlier this morning.
Your containers?
Yes.
Wait. Is it the 21 containers from China?
Yes, yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So you were the one who imported those arms?
Sir, there are no arms in my containers. At all. Not at all. And actually, I've settled with your colleague.
You've settled with who?
Your colleague?
Listen, you are supposed to be in jail by now. Wait, let me make some calls. What nonsense?
Sir, I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes, please, forgive me. Please forgive me.
Get out. Get out! Which colleague? Get out, my friend! Idiots! Look at you. Fool!
Oga, wetin happen? Oga, wetin happen?
Hey!
Oga, wetin happen?
Hey! Hey!
Oga, wetin happen now?
What is this? What is this?
Honey, what is it? How did it go?
Hey!
Oga, who dem be now?
God, you're in heaven. I did not offend anyone, no.
Dem be.
I did not offend anyone, only.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Hey!
Don't do this here, please. Let's go inside.
Hey!
My salary, now make me the talk. My salary.
Honey, let's go inside. Don't do this here. The gate man is watching.
Why make Oga the verse?
Sorry about this, but you shouldn't have gone there with 21 million naira. You should have informed your lawyer.
I wouldn't know. Even if I wouldn't know it would come out this way.
I wonder what this country is turning into. Customs will clear your goods and still stop you along the road to impound them. That is ridiculous.
Jennifer, I am back to square one.
God will not let that happen as long as I am alive. See, there is this big business coming from a Lebanese. We will supply them charcoal and there is a lot of gain in it.
Wow.
I'll call you next week so that we can talk about it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You don't have to thank me. You deserve to be happy. Do you care for a drink?
No.
Don't worry, my friend. Okay? Trust me, everything will be okay. Just believe. Everything will be fine.
It's okay.
I like that smile.
Well, good afternoon. Well, good afternoon. Over the plate.
Yes? What is it?
You say nothing, ma. But ma, I don't like the way Oga takes it down.
Go back to your duty post.
Okay. Madam. Today not 31st though.
So? My friend, go back to your duty post.
Madam, the salary will come meet me for there.
I say get out of here.
Thank you.
It's okay. You cannot continue like this.
The good news is that we're going to supply over 30 containers of charcoal to the Lebanese man for exportation.
That's good. So, how much are we looking at?
50 million naira.
50 million naira?
Yes.
Jennifer, I can't even raise half of it.
Okay. Can you raise 15 million naira?
I will try.
Good. I know after this you surely bounce back.
I pray so.
I know so. And are your kids back?
They're not yet back. I wouldn't even like them to come back and see me like this.
I understand. Don't worry, everything will be alright. Okay?
I pray so. Thank you very much.
Well, I like it. How much are you selling?
Okay, guys, 7 million.
7 million? For a Nigerian used car? That's too much.
I just bought this car last year.
It doesn't matter. You already used it in Nigeria, so that makes it Nigerian used car. Well, not to worry. I'll pay 6 million.
Is that all you can pay?
It's not as if all is all I can pay, but it's the what?
Okay, no problem. What of the other car?
I don't like this one.
Can you pay 5 million?
Well, I'll pay 3.
Oh, that is too small. It's not. This car is more than 5 million. I just want to give it to you.
That is what
you know. Okay. When am I getting the money?
Today. I'll come back with the money later.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Please make everything ready.
So I will do that.
Alright.
There is a problem.
What problem?
The Lebanese said he needs 100 containers. And if we can't supply them, we should back off.
100 containers? That will amount to 200 million. How do I get it?
I can raise 130 million naira. You will run around for the rest.
I sold 2 of my cars and emptied my account just to raise 15 million. How do I get the rest?
There must be a way.
Please, I need you to do me a favor.
What is that?
Please, I need some money to complete the one I already have for the supply of charcoal. I would want us to sell the land at Airport View so I can make up with the money I have already.
Sell which land?
The one at Airport View.
Are you joking? You're serious?
Please, I'm so serious.
Please.
Please what? Let me ask you a question. How many Nigerians were able to buy land in Airport View Estate? And you want us to sell the one that we have?
Baby, I'm going to buy another one. Please, we will buy another one once things normalize. This will change soon.
Well, find another way. We are not selling the land.
Please don't do this. Do this for me, please.
My answer is still no. We will not sell that land. Case closed.
So, he wants you to sell the land he bought for you. Are you going to try that?
And am I mad?
That is the only thing you will hold if he runs away with his concubines. What I see is Nemesis catching up with him.
Are you telling me? Let's forget about that forgotten issue. Do you have anything to eat in this house?
You should have gone married today. I'm not yet cooked.
I know that.
Oh, good afternoon. Okay, the greet oh. Okay. I busy. Okay. It be like say my mother go sick tomorrow. I mean, my mother won't sick again. Now I say make I.
Okay, it's okay. Let's go. I'll pay you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, it be like say person dey forget. Man, go open gate. Thank you.
Sir? Are those cars faulty?
No. I don't have problem with them.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Sorry.
In the pigeonhole in one of the cars.
Okay.
I found this. I believe it belongs to you.
Thank you very much. Yes, it's mine. I forgot it there. But thank you very much.
Oh, you don't need
Thank
to
you.
thank me.
No, I have to thank you because I can't believe we still have good Nigerians like you.
It's a small thing. I don't need to.
God, you don't know what you've done for me. Thank you very much.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay, I'll come back. Thank you. God bless you.
All right. Please open the gate for me.
Open the gate for me.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Hi.
Oga.
Yes.
It be like say good thing happen. I see the way they are.
Good thing like what? Good thing like what?
That man that.
Alright, go back to your post.
Thank you, sir.
I was able to raise 15 million.
It is alright. I'll make up the rest.
Jenny, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So do you need a drink?
I don't mind.
Okay. Waiter! Waiter!
Okay, you don't come back.
As you can see, I'm back. Take it. Your salary.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir. You. Okay, my God go bless you for me, oh. My God go bless you for me, oh. See you. My God go bless you, oh. See you, Onny. See you, Onny. See you, Onny. See you, Onny. Hey.
You look sick. Is everything alright?
Until everything happened. But I thank God I did not die.
What happened?
My containers were seized by the customs. 21 full loaded containers. They took 21 million naira from me and even wanted to take me to jail. I ran for my life.
This is terrible. Sorry, my dear.
It's okay. It's okay. How was the journey?
It was fine. I'll be traveling back to the States tomorrow.
Oh. I hope all is well.
Yes. I need to go and vote.
Alright.
Are the kids not back from Ghana?
No, they're not back.
What about your wife? I am very hungry.
She went out. But let me quickly prepare noodles for you.
No, this is Nigeria. Yes. I want a better food. Oh, she's here. No, you're welcome. Thank you. Please, go and get me something to eat. I'm very hungry.
And when was the last time he bought food items in this house?
Aloy, has he got into that?
Auntie, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry about that. Let me go and boil some yam for you. Maybe swear a man.
I don't want yam. Don't worry, I'll eat when I get to my hotel.
It is 2 months now, and the workers have not been paid, and they are complaining.
Mike, you talk as if you don't know what I am passing through.
Oga, I know what you are going through, but I just don't know what to tell them anymore.
Mike, I will certainly come and pay them by next month.
And that will be 3 months' salary.
Maxine, please, talk to them for me. Do all you can. Save me from that situation. Okay? There's this business I invested my money in. Very soon, money is going to come and I will pay off everybody. Okay? Talk to them. Just do something. Please.
It's okay. I will pass your message to them. It's okay.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
I now owe my workers. This is unbelievable. Me. Jenny. Jenny, what is it? What happened?
I am finished. I am finished. People are wicked. Oh.
Please talk to me. What is it? What really happened?
The man who knew the Lebanese man, you know, the charcoal connect, ran away with the money. He ran away with the money, I'm telling you.
Person die.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What is it? What happened?
I am finished. We were duped. Hey.
Who duped you?
Our money is gone. The money we invested in charcoal business. They are all gone. Hey.
You didn't ask proper question before engaging in the business? Anyway, thank God I didn't let you sell that land. Thank God.
Babe, we need to talk.
Talk about what?
I want us to think of something to do, at least to make money and sustain ourselves.
That will cost some money.
That is why I'm telling you, we need to sell one or two things to make money.
No. If you're thinking of selling my car or that land, it will not work.
Baby, we need to take care of our children when they are back.
Of course. That is why you're here. You are the man of the house, my husband, the head of this house. Take care of us. Yes. After, if you weren't wasting your money on your concubines, you won't be in this mess.
What did you just say?
You heard me. What are you doing with the documents?
So you want to sell this house?
What are you saying? You're joking, right? It must be a joke.
The buyer is coming this afternoon.
Oh my goodness. You're serious? Aloy! Don't tell me you're serious. You can't possibly sell our house. Aloy! You cannot sell our house. So, what are you saying? Where are we going to stay? I thought you were joking. Please, we have to talk about this. You cannot sell our house.
So, these are the documents.
I hope the documents are complete.
Oh yes, they are.
Good. Here is the completion of the money.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Nice doing business with you.
I would like to move in tomorrow.
Ah. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Do you hear the sound of my voice singing to you? I've got words I hope will comfort or heal you and be soothing to your mind. All I need is a bit of your time, so give me your ears, yeah. 'Cause I know, say, one way or the other, you've been waiting for this day. God will send someone to blow your mind away. He may take a day, a month.
Aloy, how could you? How could you? I thought you were joking. Okay, where do you want me to stay? You want to frustrate me, right? Where are the kids going to stay when they come back?
You're going to stay with your mom while I go to the village.
What? What are you saying? What are you going to do with the money?
I want to pay my workers.
Aloy. can't believe this. You mean your workers are more important to you than your family?
They worked for me.
So what?
So they deserve to be paid.
Oh goodness, I know, what has come over you? Why are you doing this? What did I do to you? Why are you trying to frustrate my life? What is it? Aloy! Aloysius!
We are losing the possession of this house tomorrow. Mike, please, I want you to apologize today on behalf of me, based on the delay in payment of their salary. Okay? This is the money. This is all I have. Make sure you pay everyone, including the gate man.
It's okay, sir. I'm sorry this is happening, sir.
Mike, it's okay. I will be fine. This is all I have for now. Make sure you pay everybody.
It's okay, sir.
What is this? What is this? How? Hi.
So, where is your husband?
I don't know.
You don't know? How do you mean that you don't know where your husband is?
How am I supposed to know where he is when he has refused to listen to me and sold everything? Now look at me. Look at what he put me into. The only thing I have is that car and the land he bought with my name. That's all. Everything sold.
Nneka, you sound like someone who has lost her senses. I wonder if you suckled this in my breast. Huh? Let me ask you, when you were going to his house, did you go with anything? So how can you tell a man how to fight his way out? Can't you make it how?
I'm not surprised. No, I'm not. You have always supported my husband anytime I tell you about him. So I'm not surprised.
Yes, because he's a good man. No man will tolerate you as he has done. Tell me, how can a woman who her husband has loved so much in good time will refuse to support her husband in bad time?
I refuse to support my husband.
Yes!
But I came here separately to tell you how he wastes his money on women. Did you listen to me? Did you?
Are you telling me that women finished all his money?
What else? What else finished his money if not women?
Shut up your mouth. Shut up!
Fine, mommy. I will shut up. But the truth remains the truth.
If you are going to stay in this house with me, you will talk like someone with her right senses.
Yes! Because you have lost it. You have lost it all. Mommy, you now give me condition on how to stay in your house. No problem.
And I still ask you again, where is your husband?
And again I answer, I don't know. He might be with one of his concubines.
Hey! This girl. Ah.
Hey, my friend, why are you sleeping on duty? Hey, okay. Will you come here? Okay. Why are you sleeping on duty?
Okay, no offense, don't mind me. That's this speed now. I just said the guy rest.
Check his back time.
Okay, this one.
Yes. Be fast about it. Yes. KC Bombay. Yes, this is Ichie million. Ichie dollar. It was by Ichie euro. Yes. Yeah, I'm updated with the recent developments. So I'm going to meet you up in China. Yes. Thank you very much. I'm done. I'm through. You're through. I'll just okay, no problem, my brother. Okay, well, just hold on. Let me finish it. Okay, thank you, sir.
Hold on, make a...
No. Keep it chill. I go there.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. As I was saying, I said I will meet you in...
Kami. Kami. Come here. Come on, Kami. Come on, Kami. Come on now.
Ofo.
It's me, Ofo, your brother. No counterfeit.
Ofo, what happened?
Take it easy. Chilwayo. Are you surprised? All dollar or made a cash. They're busy in pounds and dollars. You tell you. Wait, first of all, where? Come baby. Oh, moto. Direct Belgium. My dear sister.
What did you say?
I said, where are you going? I'm going to
the shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Shopping, baby. Kami, baby.
What happened? You really changed though.
Well, what happened is that money located me and I became a rich man. Oh yes, yes.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, don't mention, thank you.
And you forgot me, you forgot your sister. Eh?
How can I forget you? Eh? Camilo, my only sister. I can't forget you. But I don't know where you live in this town. Where do you live?
We live in Park Road now.
Park Road in Kenya?
Mm-hmm.
Now. Don't worry, I will come and see you. I'm coming to see you in a different style.
I can see that.
I will go by this week. I'm going to the passport office. So when I come back, you know your brother travels everywhere. Today, China. I travel every week. From China to Hong Kong, to Honolulu, to Indonesia, to different places. All for business. You don't know my name? My new name now is Ichie Dollar. Ichie Pounds. Ofo. That is me. Don't worry, I'll come and see you. Don't worry.
Hey!
You said you are going to...
Ruby.
Okay. Yeah, so...
You're not a big man, no?
Oh, what is it? Well, we're making money.
Hey! You need to connect me now. Connect your sister.
That's very important. This is my card. Call me. Call me next tomorrow.
I will definitely call you.
Yes, call me. Make sure you call me.
I will.
I need to introduce you to a very good business. Can change your life. Change everything.
Oh, for wonderful.
Offer will ego. Wait, offer will ego.
Offer will ego.
Offer dollar.
Offer dollar. Offer papa.
You said you're going to the shopping mall.
I'm going to pick few things from the shopping mall.
Few things. Come here, baby. No need. Take it. This is for you, baby. Take this money and buy yourself anything you want. Anything money can buy in that shopping mall. We close down the shopping mall. And then, just go. No, go.
Thank you.
Go and have fun.
Thank you.
Make sure you call me, don't forget.
I'll call you.
Hey! Bye-bye, oh!
And for my leg, for pounds and dollar.
Bye-bye,
Take care of yourself, wouldn't it? Hey, when I tell them money talks, bullshit moves, jealous, for pounds and dollar.
Yes, Kami. Okay, I'll be there. I'm coming.
Babe, see money, see some dough.
I just saw my husband. He now works as a vulcanizer. He was looking like a madman.
A madman? Where?
He was under the sun. My husband was under the sun. Oh my goodness.
Calm down and talk to me. Where did you say you saw your husband?
It's okay. It's not okay. Do you know that the government has taken over the land that my husband bought for me at the Airport View Estate? They have taken over the land. They have taken everything. Everything is falling apart and it's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. Hey, God.
Calm down. Everything is just... My car. Where's my car? My car is gone. My car. Send me which car? I parked it here. Here. Are you sure you parked it here? What kind of question is that? Is this not my car? I parked my car here. I parked it here. See, Wait. I drove and I parked it here. And I went to your house. Now my car is gone. My car is gone. My car! No. Stop. My car is gone. Hey! My car is gone. My car is gone. I parked it here. I parked it here. Here. It's okay. Calm down. You could have done this now. My car is gone. My car is gone. How do you do this? You don't understand. I drove it myself. I drove it. And I parked it here. Then I went to your house. My car is gone.
Stop crying now. It's okay.
Nneka, what happened?
Why is everything bad happening to me, Mommy? Why? What have I done wrong?
Talk to me. Because as you see me, I am leaving this house.
Mommy, my car was stolen.
Your car was stolen?
Yes.
Where?
I went to Camilla's house and when I came out, I couldn't find my car. It was gone, stolen, vanished. I don't know.
Listen.
It's a pity. Is that all you have to say about my stolen car?
If you know what I'm passing through right now, you'll pity me more. I am going to the village for now.
The village? Why?
I don't want that stupid landlord to come and meet me here. Because I don't have his rent. And I'm not even sure of having his rent soon.
Mommy, you should have told me.
Huh?
You should have told me.
If I had told you, what would you have done? You could not even help your husband. Is it I that you will help? So please, if you are done staying, lock the door.
Mommy, are you leaving me here?
Where is your mother? Where is your mother?
We're not making. I'm greeting you, sir.
I am not here to exchange pleasantries. Tell your mother to come out here with my rent.
Do
you hear me?
Landlord, my mother is not in town.
Okay. So my mother is hiding because of my rent. Well, I know what to do.
No, she's not hiding.
I know what to do.
She will soon be back and she will bring your money.
I am going to lock up this house.
We pay the rent, Oga. Please.
I'm locking this house.
No, Oga landlord, please.
I said I'm locking this house.
Oga landlord, please. I will pay you.
You want to fight me?
No, I'm not.
So doesn't mean this matter will settle once and for all.
Oga, police, police. Don't worry, I will leave. Oga, I will leave. Wait for the police. Oga, I will leave.
Say, pack your things out. Pack your things. It's okay. Pack your things out. Go. No, pack your things out first. You are here wasting my time. Pack your things out. For how long are you people have been owing me in this house? Are you the one that gave me money that I told to build this house? Actually, before I count it now, I will even smoke you inside of. I'm on my way. How long you are going to owe me in this house? Eh? Let's see.
You think you can do what you like in this house, huh? Come on. Lay down there, come on. Lay down.
Raise your hands! Raise your hands! Please, I will not do it again. I will not do it again. I'm sorry.
Yes, shut up. Shut up. Turn your back. Turn your back. Turn.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'll get back to you. Remain like this until my anger stops.
Camelia! No, I must be dreaming. This is a dream. This is a dream. What am I seeing here? Camelia! Hey! Hey! I am ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself. Camelia. Camelia, what did you put me into? Camelia. Why did you do this to me?
Hey! Go to the forklift and get my spare tire.
Okay, honey.
Come on!
Hey! What did I do? What have I done to myself? Camilla, you have killed me. Camilla. I'm sorry. You are sorry. Camelia, I am now in hell. You're the one that led me there. You think sorry is enough? You think sorry can fix what I've been broken? Camelia, where do I go from here? What do I do? I'm sorry.
Go to my car. Are you mad?
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't know.
Let me go of this business life.
But you're shouting at me. You're shouting at me and I don't like it. Eh?
What did you say?
I said you are shouting at me.
That I'm shouting at you?
Yes, Papa. If you want to talk to me like a man. Papa, I'm a man. A big man for that matter.
Ofo, where is the cow and the money you promised to give me every month? It is 3 months now, yet I have not seen anything.
Hi! Papa, you see a greedy man. Papa, what will you be doing with cows? Okay. Which means if I have to give you cow every month, that is 12 cows in 12 months of 1 year. Papa, what will you do with it? Eh? Do you want to open an abattoir or a chief? Can you get your GM? It's only Jimmy Sufile Jini and Refi. Or do you want to open an abattoir? Papa?
Don't get me angry. Agreement is agreement. If you get me angry, I will show you that I am the one that made you what you are today.
Cooper, you, Papa, you cannot do anything to me. Ofo now is a different Ofo. You cannot do anything to me. And let me warn you, Papa. Don't think I made my money through that 30 singlet you gave to me. Don't ever in your mind, in your life, think like that.
Then let me have the singlet back.
Don't use that singlet. Just go let you. I will bring it back for you. Take your singlet. And don't threaten me again with this singlet. Singlet is not my problem. Take your singlet.
We shall see who will come back begging.
You won't pump your tire? Yeah?
Oh my God! Aloy, what are you doing here?
Jennifer. Jennifer, that's how I see myself.
What? We have to go. Get into the car. We're leaving right now.
How are you?
That's not important, Aloy. We need to go right now. Get into the car.
Okay,
right now.
Okay, look at the car. Johnny, come on, baby. Anybody will come, I will see you, I beg. Just help me. Look after everything for me, oh? Johnny, I beg, oh?
Jenny, I didn't just want to take my cost to anyone.
You're not cursed. You're a great man. I got the most shocking call of my life on Sunday and I've been looking for you.
And what's the call all about?
That our charcoal deal was real. Just that something happened along the line.
Wait. You're joking, right?
We'll be paid double the amount tomorrow morning.
Am I dreaming or what?
No, you're not. It is real.
I just need to wake up from this dream. Are you serious?
I need to wake up from this dream.
You serious?
Jesus Christ. Hello? Where have you been? We've been looking for you. Eh?
You want to jail me, right?
No. See, go and clear your goods, okay? Okay?
What are you talking about?
Sorry, I allowed the devil to use me. For days, I couldn't sleep. I had to take your money to my pastor to keep. So your money is with my pastor now, okay?
What are you up to this time around?
No, see, I may change this now. I'm a born again, right? Just come with me, I will give you your money. Then help you clear your goods without marriage, okay?
God is wonderful.
God is wonderful, for real.
Let us go now.
Let me see, I'm very sorry for all everything I've cost you, okay? Please, let's go. My mic is outside. This is not happening. It's real.
My brother, the Lord did something wonderful in your life that you cannot see. For 2 months I was praying for God to deliver you from the hand of evil one. And he finally answered.
And I am asking for forgiveness. Please forgive me.
Who am I not to forgive? I forgive you. I forgive you.
Alright, that's good. Where's the money?
Yes.
Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Hey.
Pastor.
Pastor, please. This is my seed of faith. Yes. My seed of faith.
Alright, let me pray for you. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Mr. Lloyd, we are so sorry for whatever inconvenience our action might have cost you. Your goods will be cleared with immediate effect.
Hey.
It's a promise.
You don't mean it. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, sir. Can I go now?
You can go.
God bless you. God bless you.
I'm blessed.
Are you not a lucky man? Now that the goods are out, you're going to sell double the normal price.
That is not what is bothering me right now.
You're thinking about your wife?
My kids. I want to go and pick them from Ghana.
Okay, but you have to settle first. Get a house, a car,
and go for Thanksgiving.
You're right. Do you know you're a man after God's own heart?
I know.
You sure are. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers to the sense.
I don't want to do something stupid. Leave this house.
Please don't do this.
You don't want to leave this house?
Okay. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Leave this house! I said you leave the house! It is over.
Please don't do this to me.
It's over.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
It's over.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, wait.
I will fuck you.
Please don't do this to me. Honey. Hey!
Nonsense.
Are you alright?
Thank God you're here. I need to tell you something so that this guilt will leave my heart.
What is it? And where is my wife?
You just hear me out before asking of your wife, please. Thank you. That was what happened. I never knew it would come to this.
I still can't believe my wife could go to this extent.
It's all my fault. Please, blame it all on me, but forgive her. Accept her back.
God. No. Where is my wife now?
She's always at the bus stop. I'm so sorry, please. I'm sorry.
And what is the meaning of that?
And I pass the You mean my progress? You think you will ruin my life, okay? Every month, you think you will ruin my life.
A stubborn fly follows the dead man to the grave.
Stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Oh my, the fly, but is it not? So whatever.
What is wrong with this boy? Huh?
Now let me see who follows the dead man to the grave. You, me, or the fly.
Idiot! You know that was my destiny. You know.
Milo.
Mama, is this why you called me here?
She is your wife, and nothing can change that. She has been crying since she came back from the city. Please, my son.
You know what? I will see you when next I come.
Okay, Milo, please. Milo, please. Please, I'm sorry. Please consider her. I beg of you. Please. Forgive me. Forgive my stupidity. Please, I'm sorry.
Aloy, please. Oh?
I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Do you hear the sound of my voice singing to you? I've got words I hope will comfort or heal you and be soothing to your mind. All I need is a bit of your time, so give me your ears now. 'Cause I know, say, one way or the other, you've been waiting for this day. God will send someone to blow your mind away. He may take a day, a month, or a year. He will send them anyway. Hold on, yeah. Hold on, yeah. Hold has been shattered in so many ways. Got no job, no money to feed. Tell me, how do you survive? All your problems are right before your eyes. Nothing is changing, yeah. But you hope, say, your status quo go change and your hustle go pay. No, God will send someone to blow your mind away. Send them anyway. Yeah. See, God will send someone to blow your mind away. Yeah. He may take a day, a month or a year. He will send them anyway. Anyway. Hold on. Hold on, yeah, hold on, just hold on, hold on. Sing with me, sing with me, blow your mind away, yeah. If you believe, open your mouth and sing. If you hear the sound of my voice, open your mouth and sing this song with me. Someone to blow your mind away, yeah. It may take a day, yeah. Send them anyway. Hold on, just hold on, hold